you doing, Hope? Are you on a massage chair?
Feels so good.
Yeah?
When she takes it, she didn't take it yet. In a minute.
Well, I'm
I
recording.
think it's stopped. No, I think it's stopped. Oh, you are
Uh-huh.
recording? Oh, this one's so funny. I wish it would do the bounce.
I know, do the shaking thing now. What do you think about that, Hope? Is that good? Yeah?
It's like a hand.
Go easy on her.
Feels like someone's hand in there. Yeah. Maybe it'll shake you in a minute. I wanted to rub my back. Oh, that was hysterical. Our cheeks were just...
Yeah.
Look.
There you go.
You're getting shook up.
Oh, look
like
at you.
that.
You're all shaking, Hope.
It's so
Did the
funny.
picture?
Look. Are you getting it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, God.
I just hope it's not too dark. Hey, Hope. Oh, it stopped shaking
She
again?
almost looks like she's gonna...
What do you think about that? Oh, there you go again. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Take a picture?
I'm recording it.
Oh, you're
Hey there, Hope.
Her face is unexplainable.
Are we gonna show Daddy? Show Daddy how you were on the chair?
Oh my God, Lisa, that is so funny. She's like liking it, but
Hey, Mom.
hi. I was laughing so hard. Her brow's all furrowed, like, you know.
Do you like that chair, Hope? Is that a nice chair?
Do you like it?
Oh, we're shaking again? Look at that face.
Oh my God, that records that much?
Uh-huh.
That is so cute. How am I going to get a hold of that?